Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Online Marketing Classroom and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Online Marketing Classroom is a course that will teach you how you can generate profits from your website. You will be shocked at the kinds of things that you are going to learn here. You are going to learn things that are so simple, but yet so useful. This course will teach you things that are going to make your life much easier. If you are struggling with your website for the moment, then you need this. You need to invest in yourself. I have learned that rule from Robert Kiyosaki, who is a master in real estate and financial guru. You must always invest in yourself first. Always seek to improve yourself and acquire more knowledge. This program will allow you to see the inside of the industry. It helped me achieve great things in less than 2 months. I took my website from zero to hero, and I am making 4 figures of income every month. This is only the beginning of my beginner website. You might make a lot more than that. I am writing this review to share my personal experience with this course. I will explain briefly here how I got started, what benefits I had, and how you should avoid falling for a scam. That being said, I will also encourage you to buy this program. You have to learn what's inside. How did I start with Online Marketing Classroom? I was working a regular 9 to 5 until 2 months ago, and I hated it. I hated it so much that I wanted to burn down the whole building where I worked. You know what feeling I am talking about. Your soul is telling you, you can do greater things. Anyway, I wanted to open my first business. I wanted to become a blogger and upgrade myself from there. So after saving some money from my job, I did the first thing I could do. I decided to buy a domain. Every blog needs a unique name, and my wife helped me come up with a genius idea. Then I needed someone to design my blog, and that is when the trouble started. I wasted $100 on hiring a web designer that didn't do much and missed every possible deadline. I had to fire him and hire someone else who tried to steal my idea and make a blog of his own. And this guy was supposed to be a friend. After many struggles, I searched the internet for anything that could help. And that is when I came across Online Marketing Classroom. At first, I thought I found another scam, but I had nothing to lose anyway. Sometimes you just have to take that leap of faith. My experience with Online Marketing Classroom. And it was the best decision that I could take. I have come a long way from that, and now I can earn good money doing what I love. I am writing about things that I love, and my public is bigger than ever. And it is all thanks to Online Marketing Classroom. That is why I wanted to take the time and write an Online Marketing Classroom review. I am doing this to do justice to the program and showcase its benefits. There are others out there who have tried this same system who can also write Online Marketing Classroom reviews. I got real, targeted traffic with the help of this program. My fanbase grew like never before, and I have been able to take things to the next level. I have created my own ebook, and I am selling it through my website. I have also been able to learn a lot about digital marketing. You would never know these things if it wasn't for the Online Marketing Classroom. What this course taught me is priceless compared to the information that I got back. I am so glad for taking the decision of buying this course. What you will get? Online Marketing Classroom Crowdforce. If you are struggling to get traffic at the moment, then you should take a step back and breath in. Then, by using this software, you will be able to get free, organic and targeted traffic, all with the help of optimized automated systems. Organic traffic is the only thing that is going to keep your website active. If you have subscribers that are loyal, that's all it takes to make it to the top. Bounce Breaker. Online Marketing Classroom Bounce Breaker. Organic traffic is the most important thing, as I mentioned above, but it is not enough to convert subscribers to money. For that purpose, you can use Bounce Breaker that is going to convert all visitors to cash for you. They need some stimulation in order to keep them on your website and to convince them to buy. Once they make that first transaction, then you can start earning for real. Online Marketing Classroom Landing Page Launchpad. You are going to need to have a way of converting people to join your email list, sign up to your website, or buy your products or service. Landing pages are one of the best ways of converting. This software is going to help you converting mobile responsive landing pages. Online Marketing Classroom Traffic Spy. You are going to need a tool that will monitor your subscribers. After all, one of the best ways to be successful is to know your audience and know what they want. And what is the best way to know what your audience wants? Monitoring them. You can see where a subscriber goes and how they navigate your site. You can also see every action taken on your land pages. All this information can help you optimize your website in a better way. Online Marketing Classroom Hawkeye. You need to find which product works best for your website and for the niche that you are working on. This software will show you the best opportunities for new e-commerce products. You will be able to easily identify which products are the winners and the ones that generate more sales. Did you know that expired domains can be a great way of creating profit? This software helps you find the top 10 rankings on Google expired websites and then teaches you how to either flip them or re-rank them for a profit. Ecom Product Finder. You want to keep a close eye to the market and always know which niches are the hottest of the moment. In order to do this, you need to use this tool that is going to inform you from time to time regarding the potentially profitable e-commerce niches. Viral Search Tool. Take a peek inside the highest ranking content from different companies. You will be able to see which pieces of content are getting a lot of traffic, and you can take these content ideas and create your own version. Free Trust Seals. Trust seals can be very useful for conversion, but they can also be very expensive. That is why most big website owners buy them. How is the training mapped? Online Marketing Classroom. Week 1, Niche and Product Selection. Here you will find your brand's niche and you will select the product that best works for you. You will also research your domain name to have everything optimized for search engines. Week 2, Store Setup and Optimization. Here you will learn the essentials of setting up your domain name. You will also get crucial information about installing Shopify, adding your first products to the front store and customizing the theme. Week 3, Facebook Setup and Final Store Optimization. You need to prepare every single detail before starting to create ads and driving traffic to your website and product. You cannot go to war without knowing your weapons. Week 4, Case Study Updates, Creating Ad Images and Sales Channels. You will learn ad images and video creation. This class is going to teach you about the sales channel and is going to help you set up your support desk. Week 5, Website Conversion and Facebook Ads. You are going to be focused solely on converting from your website and learning the right Facebook ad strategies that are going to help you get a lot of traffic. Week 6, Fulfilling Orders and Upselling. You have to know about cash flow and income. At the same time, you have to learn how to manually fulfill orders and improve sales in order to generate more numbers. Week 7, Scaling and Duplicating Ad Sets and Product Feeds. How to better use product feeds in order to provide excellent results. You'll also learn the basics of scaling and duplicating your Facebook ads. This is all very important information for the growth of your site. Week 8, Email List Building. An email list is basically the foundation of your website. If you don't keep track of your subscribers, then you won't be able to connect with them the right way. That is why you need to focus on setting up and building a good and healthy email list. Week 9, Clarification Videos. A sum up of the most frequently asked questions in order to better help you get a general idea of everything. The support desk is also going to be there for any inquiries you might have. What will Online Marketing Classroom enable you to do? Build a successful online business. You can be just a beginner in this field, and it is nothing wrong with that. I also started from zero. This showcase will help you build a successful online business that can generate income for you. Boost your traffic, sales, and profits. If you want to increase the current sales numbers for your business, even if you are an expert or just starting out, you will be able to boost your organic traffic to help your business skyrocket beyond any expectation. Own world-class software tools. You will get unlimited access to the different software that will help you build your website and online business better than ever. And the key is that you get these programs for free. You will have the chance to learn and build your website more than ever before. Get incredible support and monthly updates. You will get new updates and new lessons that will make sure your website always grows. A new opportunity to generate income every month. You will be guided step by step to every single decision that you will make. Frequently asked questions. Is this system for me? If you are looking to build a successful online business, I can assure you that this is all that you will need. This system is for everyone, beginner or expert. You will find this extremely useful. Is this system too complicated? I would not be writing this review if it was. Everything is more than simple. You will be able to learn fast and steady and not get stuck in anything. Pros. This classroom will teach you more than ever before. They will help you get up your first online business. You will see an incredible increase in sales. You will start to earn money more than ever from selling a product. They will always be there for any type of questions you might have. Unlimited access to their different software. Cons. You must have minimal website knowledge. Conclusion. This is one of the best things that I have ever tried. This showcase helped me get started with my first online business, and now I am able to have a monthly income and I can generate more profits than ever before. Everyone who is looking to have an online business need to buy this. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your online marketing classroom today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.